Welcome students. In the previous unit, we talked about the introduction to reading. And in this unit, we will talk about comprehension. Now, let's take a look what the comprehension is. Comprehend means to understand. It refers to the ability to first understand and then interpret the written or digital text effectively. After recognizing the words that what is written, it also includes the skills to grasp the main purpose of author to write, its underlying meaning, and what author wants its reader to understand. We are now going to see some common problems which people usually face in a day-to-day life in their reading comprehension so that we can fix those issues. So, common challenges in comprehension includes the first one is complex language. That is, if a document is written with an excessive use of unfamiliar vocabulary, which could be replaced with a simple, known and easy synonyms, it would create a difficulty for readers to comprehend, that is, to understand the main concept. The second is technical terminology. Some writers use their field-related terminologies in their writing which are not known to the general public. Again, making the comprehension skills difficult. So if you're trying to read medical, engineering, economics, or any other technical field related to information, try to learn the domain-related terms unless you are of the same domain. The first one would be information overload. This is sometimes called cognitive overload, when a writer puts a lot of information in a single piece of writing. For example, a letter, an assignment, a proposal, or whatsoever without breaking it into the logical pieces, expecting readers to absorb all the information. What happens usually that the readers fail to comprehend. Remember, our brains can only receive a certain amount of information at a particular time. It prioritizes and processes only the most important ones and remaining gets overflowed. So a good writer must be selective in selection and prioritization of the key points he or she wants its reader to remember. The next is use of lengthy sentences. Be mindful that extra lengthy sentences break the connection between the writer and the reader. It means try to avoid use of such lengthy sentences and break them into the smaller ones. We will look at some tips and tricks to improve your comprehension skills in the next unit. We will talk about comprehension skills. So see you in the next unit.